Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to unbox my new HP laptop. I bought this laptop from the Chroma store for my personal use. So let's check it out, its configuration. Its model number is DA0327TU. This laptop is Intel Core i3 7th generation without graphics, 2.4 GHz processor speed, 1 TB hard drive, 4 GB RAM, Windows 10, 15.6 inches screen. So let's open it now. This is how it's look like. This is a charger. This is how it looked like after opening it. Nice packaging. This is a look of the laptop. It's a quite shiny. It's a silver color laptop. And on the side you have a USB port, and this one is for full size memory card, and this one is DVD player. And the other side you have two USB port, this one, and this is HDMI, and this is for Ethernet port, and this one is for your charging port. This is how it look like on the back side. Okay, let's open it now. This is a power key. Let's on it. I have opened it before at the Chroma store for installing some software, so now it will not take much time to on. This is the camera. It is full HD. I don't know you guys can see it properly or not. The touchpad is nice. Intel Core i3 7th generation. Along with this, I have got this HP laptop back. Its quality is nice. So that's it guys.